I promise I won't waste your time. I just want to teach you how to recognize the graph of a mirror formula, right? The graphical representation of that formula is a common JAMB question. Now, let's say, we have the formula to be 1 over f equals to 1 over v plus 1 over u. You must know this. I mean, what do you want to go and do in an exam if you don't know this? Okay. Now, 1 over f, this is the focal length, this is the image distance, and this is the object distance. Also, you must know that magnification is v over u. How? Look at it. It's so easy. People don't just know. If I tell you that the object distance is 3, or for instance, you must know that the magnification of a plane mirror is 1, right? Because if you have a plane mirror like this, such that one sided is coated, and you have an object that is standing here, if the distance, this is the object distance, is going to be the same that will be formed, yes, though it is virtual, okay, it's going to be the same that will be formed here, which is v. So the v equals to u. You understand? U equals to v. Object distance equals to image distance. So in this case, magnification is what? V over u, which is what? Let's say if this is 20, this is 20. That's 20 over 20. Everything equals to what? 1. Magnification, there's no unit. It will cancel out. Now, don't forget that the image here is laterally inverted. You must not forget that one. It's laterally inverted, right? Now, how is that so? And it's virtual. If you are looking yourself, look at it. This hand now will appear like this on the mirror. Do you get? So it will appear, so it's laterally inverted. So your left hand, you can try it, your left hand will appear right. Okay. Now, that is by the way. Just know that v over u. So how magnified the image is this formula. So it's this magnification times the object distance that will tell you how magnified the image is. Okay, because there are some questions that you have to know this relationship. Now, that is not where I'm going. Now, if I plot the question they will ask you, I've seen there are two. If you plot a graph of magnification against v, so that's the question they ask. So let's go. How do I achieve this? Multiply all through by v. Multiply all through by v. Look at it. If I multiply all through by v, that will be v over f equals to what? V over v plus what? V over u. Now, because I know mathematics, I know that this guy, it resembles this guy. It resembles magnification. Yes or yes? Yes. So you see that v over f equals to v over v is what? 1 plus what? Magnification. Now, don't forget, they asked me to plot m against v, abi. Now, it's not complete because this is basic stuff. Now, if I want to make m the result of the formula, I will say m equals to what? V over f, and this one will come here, minus 1. Okay, now, this is just normal mathematics, such that I can say m equals to 1 over f into v, abi, minus 1. It's still the same thing. I just want to bring out the v outside. Okay, now from here, what do you observe? I can compare this equation on a straight line, so that this will be, let me clean this, such that this guy will be y equals to mx plus c. So the y-axis is m, abi, then the x is v, because that's what they said, m against v. Then this will be the gradient. 1 over f will be the gradient, and this is the y-intercept. So that's the way to compare when you want to form graph. So this x you are seeing here is the v, this m is this. Now let's go to graph. How will it look like? How will it look like? Now, because there is y-intercept already, which is negative, so the graph will be like this. See, this one is a JAMB question. Look at it. They have to plot y again. This y-axis of your normal stuff. So this y will be m, which is magnification. Then the v will be here, which is your what? Which is your x-axis, m against v. Now, don't forget, because the y-intercept is what? Is negative. So that means this is the negative axis of y now. This is the positive axis of y, which is, in this case, it is the m-intercept, because this is m that is our y-axis. So it will go like this. So this is the graph. This is a JAMB question, because you see that it's cutting this axis and going like this. So don't ever forget this. That means if you do a gradient, what will be the gradient? They can ask you, the gradient is what? 1 over f. Okay, another one that you must know is this. When you're asked to plot, so this is the answer to that. Please take note of that. Don't ever forget this. So I'll give you a question, but let me give you a question. Calculate the magnification if the image distance is 60 meter and the object distance is 20 meter. Drop the answer in the comment section. Now, before I go to the last one. So please don't forget this graph. It is a JAMB question. It is a JAMB question. Very, very common. So M against V, it will cut this side because it's negative. And you can see it here. M intercept is negative. So it will go like that. So now, another one that you should know, there are two graphs you should know. The second one is when you plot 1 over V against 1 over U, right? When you plot 1 over V against 1 over U, it will come like this. It will be a negative graph. It will be a negative graph. Please take note of this. So that is that. So this is the way it's going to be when you plot it, because from here 1 over F equals to 1 over V plus 1 over U. So if I want to plot 1 over V against 1 over U, I have to make either this disorder the formula, and this becomes 1 over V equals to what? This one will come here, 1 over F minus 1 over U. Can you see that this is negative? So it will be decreasing like that. So that's why it's coming down. Can you see? Because this is negative. It's not a positive like this. So in this case, if I compare, that means the y-axis mx plus c. What do you observe? The y is 1 over v. The gradient is minus 1 in this case, because this is x-axis, which is 1 over u. Then you see that this intercept is now 1 over f. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So solve this question. Calculate the magnification if v equals to 60 meter, u equals to 20 meter. Don't ever forget these two graphs. Please, don't ever. When you plot m against v, it's going to cut this and go like this. This image distance magnification. So we've started our JAMB class powerfully. If you want to join, I promise you don't want to miss it. If either you're watching this on YouTube or TikTok, try to send me a DM to join our class. We have tutors, experienced tutors teaching all the subjects, and plus myself. You can see that I'm teaching physics, I'm teaching chemistry, I'm teaching biology. So you can send me a DM, okay? If you want to score 300 and above in your exam, this is coming from someone that had it. With my experience and expertise, you're going to get it. I promise you, if you put everything we put in place, you're going to get it. So send me a DM and I will see you in the class. But don't forget this. Please drop in the comment section right now. I'm going to be checking the comment section. Bye for now.